Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix character AI repeating words. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While chatting with a character on Character AI, sometimes the system might give you repeated responses over and over again. So in that case, here are some fixes you could try in order to resolve the issue. So the very first thing you can do in order to solve the issue is to restart your chat. In order to restart your chat, simply go ahead and open up a character and click the three dots at the top right. Now click on Remove Messages and select the message you would like to remove by checking in the box right in front of your message and click Remove. Once you remove your messages, refresh your page once and try chatting with the bot again. You can go ahead and type in the prompts such as "Can you stop repeating the words?" and so on. That might make the character realize that it is repeating sentences and words. Another thing you can resolve the issue is by providing feedback. The user's feedback will directly influence the character responses. So, if you select or rate responses with repeat phrases, the character AI will think that you like them and generate more of them. Whenever the character repeats a word, you can go ahead and rate the response by giving it stars from 1 to 4 and click on Repetitive. Once you submit such feedbacks, your character AI bot will learn how to produce much better responses in the future without repeating any of the words or sentences. That is how you can easily fix character AI repeating words. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.